For this experiment, we need an Arduino board, IR receiver, breadboard, 4-channel relay, 4 bulbs and a TV remote. This is our program, and in this program we need to install the IR remote library. For that, go to Tools and then select Manage Libraries. Now here type IR remote. So I have installed this library by this author. So if you are using the older version less than 3, so the program will be different. And also here I have connected the bulb 1 to pin number 3 in the Arduino Uno, and bulb 2 to pin number 5, and bulb 3 to 7, and bulb 4 to 9. Also the IR receiver is connected to pin number 11 in the Arduino Uno board. These are the codes from the remote key. Let me explain how to get the key. So first we need to upload the program to the Arduino Uno board. For that, go to Tools and select Board as Arduino Uno and then select the port. And now click this arrow button and upload the program to the Arduino Uno board. Now once the program is uploaded to the Arduino Uno board, now open serial monitor, and here we need to press the keys on the remote. In this program I am using the key from the remote 7, 8, 9 and 0. Now press the key 7 and you will get a value. Now you need to copy this value and paste in the program. So this is for key 7. This is a hexadecimal value and we need to use this format 0x and then the value. Now again open serial monitor and now press the key 8. So this is the code for key 8. Copy this and paste here. Now again press the key 9. So this is the key for 9, code for 9. and then finally press the key 0. Now we need to upload the program again to the Arduino Uno board. Click this arrow button. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the Arduino Uno board. Now we can check the output.